Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the random function or module in tkitner in Python. So I have just created a basic layout, um, and the only difference is that I've added another module. So it's a random module, so we can actually use the random.randint and circle through various amount of numbers. As you can see here, I've tested it before and it works. So yeah, what you want to do, it's actually very easy to make this. All you have to do is define a function with def, the function name, so I'm just going to do like random no, so random number, in the parentheses, colon, this, and then I just want to assign a variable to it, so random number is what I'm going to call it, is equal to random.randint. So what this is it's a variable, and it is equal to random.randinteger, so random integer. So it's selecting a random integer. And then you want to do parentheses, and then all the integers that you want to include in the list. So I'll just include 1 through 10, and these are index numbers. So for example, index numbers would be like 0 to 1, 2 to 3 to 4, and then this would be 5 numbers. So because it includes the 0. That's why this is really just 1 to 9. The 1 in this stands for 0, and the 10 in this stands for 9. So it's only like that. So it's different because it starts with a 0 and then ends with another number. But once you get into coding in Python, you'll understand it much more. And I'll make a future video on this. So after you assign your numbers, you can basically do print and then a random number, not in strings. You do not want to add strings because then that would make it a string and it won't work because it's a variable, so you can't just put it in a string like that. So I just did print random number. As you can see, it's not going to work. Nothing's here because we need a button for it to work. So I'm going to assign a button up here. I'm going to call it btn1 is equal to button, and then you want to put a text if you don't already know how to make a button. If the variable name is equal to capital B button, and then in parentheses you want to do text is equal to, and then in quotations what you want the button to say. So I want to say click here because I don't know what else to say, and then I want to do text, and then before text you want to actually do root because you want to assign it to the root, and then after text you can just do command is equal to, and then whatever function you want to link this button to. In this case, I actually want to link this button to the random number function that I made. So there you go. And something that I always mess up, I just did right now, is that I put the button one before the function, but I actually have to assign the function, or make the function, before I make the button, because I'm assigning the function to the button, and if I don't basically make this function before this, there's no function before this for it to read, for this line to read, so I need to put this function over here. So then it should work. And then we want to place the button one dot place. I'm just going to place it in the center like always. So in parentheses, row x is equal to 0.5, row y is equal to 0.5, and then anchor is equal to center in all caps. And then, yeah, that should be it. Click here, different values, as payment. There's many different things, as you can see, 10. There's so many different numbers. So you can basically make like lists and then values in that list, and then like pick random values in that list to like show print, and you can do a lot of stuff with this random thing. And you can also make games with this. Most game creators also use this. So yeah, this is a very important skill to learn in Tincture, or just Python in general, or any language. So yeah.